Do fleeing like humans, like us. Male, female. You go to the pub on Saturday night, you a couple of boys. Get in, get a tart. My place, your place, whatever fucking goes. That's what do fleeing's about. Sex.
Come. Plant on my horn. Usually just jumps out and lands on my horn, so he does.
Oh, it's gone, man. Get a camera and do it. I don't know what it is. Get a camera and do it. Oh, stop.